Hey, how's it going? Today we are going to go over how to draw a bored ghost. It's going to be a ghost kind of yawning, so that's pretty much it. It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, so if you're a beginner, this is where to be, and if you love Halloween, this is the place to be. If you love Halloween, subscribe. I'm going to be posting lessons and the entire Halloween season, so let's jump right in. I'm going to go right here now, and I'm going to start with the kind of easy part, which is the curve on the top of the head here. Like so. I'm going to go over here. Curve line out. Okay, it's going to be, obviously the side of the ghost there. Line over here. Excuse me. A little bit tired myself. Curve for the bottom of the cloak there, I was gonna say the napkin, bottom of the blanket-like material, and we're more or less just kind of making it wavy. Nothing too wild about it, just kind of simple wavy lines. So absolutely put that in there. A lot of the key to this is going to be his facial expression, so that's something that I think you need to kind of concentrate on. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curved line like so. It's going to make it look like the eyes are closed. Like yawning here. Kind of that shape for the yawn. I like to be a little off right there, like he's yawning, like, oh, And then we're going to fill that in. It looks like a pear shape too. I don't want to have just like a straight up circle, which you could do that, but I kind of like this sort of thing. By the way, don't forget, subscribe. Sorry, I think I said that. I mean, hit the like if you like ghosts. There's a ghost drawing playlist. Don't forget to check that afterward. That is many different ways to draw a ghost. So we're going to do that. I'm going to put either, I guess we could throw like a line over here. Line. 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 Like maybe, like if you want to hit him over the head with it, literally write the word yawn. You really want to write, hit them over the head, hit the viewer over the head with it. All right, gonna go over here and I'm gonna put his little like ghost hands up, right there, right there. Curve underneath, like he's stretching out, like yawn. I'm gonna draw a couple lines here. Line right here in the drapery there. Line up. I'm excited for Halloween, by the way. I don't know. I still don't know what I'm gonna dress like. I say that every year, and then I pull up something. I'm really gonna work on it this year. Like I really wanna. I'm just gonna buy the outfit or something, but I don't know what. I was a squirrel. I was a dog one year, like from a show called Wilfred. I feel like I've done a lot of Halloween outfits that are usually like animal based, and I want to stay with it. Animal based, but they also show my face, right? I'm gonna put a line right here for the cloth folding. I don't want to do anything like Jason Voorhees. Nothing where I have to wear a mask on, because if I'm gonna go out somewhere with a costume on, I don't want to have to just hold my mask in my hand the whole time, which is pretty much what I feel like a lot of those outfits equal out to. So let's throw a little bit of color on him to kind of give him some life. And a good idea would be to grab in a blue of any kind. Blue, light blue, preferably light. The lighter the better. And I'm going to go along like the bottom edges of here. And so when you do that, it kind of gives the ghost a little bit of dimension that he would not have had otherwise. Just kind of rub it along the edges. You can get a little thick with the lines too if you want, and it might work out pretty well. You can kind of do that, kind of just along the edges over here. And like I said, it gives it a little extra flavor to it where he wouldn't have. Maybe right here as well underneath the mouth. But I wouldn't add any more than that. Something over here. Yeah, and as it dries a little bit lighter usually. It will be kind of more obvious. Line right here. Alright, and that's kind of it. But if you want to add anything extra, you can always kind of add like a background to it. So we can maybe have him on a hill. So let's just say he's on a grassy hill somewhere. Right? It's good to draw curved ground. I don't know, it just gives it a little bit of life. And you can all now that I did that, I can grab like a green marker and just kind of put that in there. None of these are required to have color, by the way. You can easily kind of do this with colored pencil. You can do this with you know, just a black and white marker. You can make it black and white. The point is not to color it, but you can. I just want to give you that option. Let's see right here, and it kind of vignettes out. That's a big part of it. Right on. Kind of vignettes out. And that's kind of it. If you really want to do, let's add another add-on. You can draw like the moon in the background. Circle over there. I mean, it might not even be the moon. It could be the sun, possibly. It's probably out, it could be out in the day. Because I'm not going to fill in the background dark right now. So it looks like he's out in the day. He's just like hanging out. But yeah, that could very easily be something else. If you want to draw a little, like, let's just make it a straight up sun. There you go. He is out. Grassy, hanging out. But yeah, so what I want to encourage you to do is to actually put in some extra stuff. If you want to learn how to draw anything in general, go check out the official website, and there's also stickers on that official website. It is sketchingeasy.com. Sketchingeasy.com. Go over there right now. Sketchingeasy.com. Go check out. You can click the dragon for the beginner tutorial, or you can also buy a sticker that I put on there. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Say hi to me. I say hi to everybody. I reply to every single comment, so test me, okay? Go comment random stuff. I will reply. Talk to you later.